2, 1.
Okay, we are back. Here's the pork roast. Look at that juicy garment. We've had that in there about 2 hours. See how it's tougher? It's not as tender as the crock pot pork, but looks pretty done. I don't know. Want to let it go some more?
You're the smoker king.
I think we'll pressure cook some of it. Here, we'll do the taste test. Look at that. That's after about 2 hours, 300 degrees. Angie's gonna taste some.
I think you can go more.
Go more?
Yep.
Okay. Gonna put this pork roast back in. What we are gonna do though is take the eggs out. I got a feeling these eggs are done. What do you think?
I have no idea. This is a completely new concept for me.
Okay. Close that back up. Fortunately, we got snow, so we're gonna cool one off.
Don't do this in yellow snow. It's probably not.
We got it all in western Colorado. We smoke eggs and we roll them in snow before we eat them. Let's bust it open. We'll wipe off a spot here. There we go. Ready. Ooh. I think we have success. Whoop. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That is a smoked egg. Now, peeling as fast as I can. It's almost like watching water boil. Almost. So what we got here now, well, we're going to taste it. Well, let's cut it open. Woo! Look at that. Is that pretty or what?
That's a pretty sight.
Well, I'm going to have me a bite. Don't taste real smoky. I'm not sure if I'll see what your fraction is.
Maybe it needs to be closer to the chips.
You know what? That's probably it. So what I'm going to do is talk to Chef Lenny. At least we got this far. So that's smoked eggs, folks. And we'll give you some more tips later.
Improvements to come.
Improvements to come. We're out.